My name is Rogers Governor, and I'm the Dean of Manchester. We are outside here in the cathedral, the beautiful grounds where the roses are still in bloom, and we're enjoying the outside wonderful autumnal weather. I bring you very warm greetings on this occasion as we celebrate Black History Month. Black History Month is so very important for us as a nation and indeed as a world. In these days when politicians in particular are seeking to divide communities, to exclude communities, and be racist towards those people of color, it's so very important that we celebrate the achievements of the Black community. And Black History Month is an opportunity to highlight many of the things that have gone on over the past year and the kind of things that we hope to continue to pursue and to achieve in the coming months and the coming year. So I hope that Black History Month will be for you a special celebration of togetherness, affirming our culture, affirming our heritage, affirming our political journey towards freedom and liberation, and joining with the rest of the community to become one community. Let us celebrate Black History Month today and always. Thank you.